From the world of tech, 26 former Meta employees have filed a lawsuit accusing the company of using AI-assisted tools that unfairly targeted workers with disabilities, or those, the specially abled people that is, or those who had taken medical or family leave. During its latest round of jobs cuts, the lawsuit that was filed in California federal court claims Meta used AI-assisted systems to score rank and select employees for layoffs as part of its workforce reductions earlier this year. The plaintiffs allege that metrics such as productivity scores, AI tool usage, and other performance data disadvantaged employees who had missed work due to medical conditions, pregnancy, or family care responsibilities. 26 employees who filed the case anonymously are asking the court to temporarily hold the layoffs while the legal claims are considered, arguing that they would otherwise be forced into individual arbitration. The lawsuit also claims that Meta used multiple AI-assisted internal tools to evaluate employees before the layoffs. These allegedly included MetaMate, Meta's large language model assistants, an internal second brain that tracked employee communications as well as productivity scores generated from keystrokes, screen activity emails, and even browser history. The plaintiffs also claim Meta failed to test these AI systems for possible bias, despite California and New York City rules requiring employers to assess automated decision-making tools. Meta has rejected the allegations, saying workforce decisions were made by people, not AI, and that the claims have no merit whatsoever. The company cut around 10% of its global workforce, nearly and 8,000 employers earlier this year, as it shifted more resources towards artificial intelligence. While CEO Mark Zuckerberg has said that no further company-wide layoffs are expected this year.